Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warm up in CS2. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you want to do is actually load up the map that you're trying to play. And if you don't know how to load workshop maps into CS2 yet, I just made a brand new video showing how to do that. And in that video, I'll show you step-by-step process of downloading this map. So once you downloaded a map like this, all you have to do is just kill these enemies, and you can just use this to warm up and practice your headshots and stuff like that. You can also change a lot of things about it. So here we can see the top players for this map, but you can also change your guns by clicking this, and you can basically choose whatever gun you want. So if you need to practice with a certain gun, let's say there's shotgun, some reason you can run around and you can practice your aiming. So if you only wanted, let's say, 2 bots, we could do that, and then these bots will be here, and then this bots be here and keep respawning, and then we can keep trying to kill them. And then once you actually played this for about 20 minutes, you probably will be warmed up and ready to play a game. So that's how you can warm up in CS2. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.